Hi, cutie.
What happened to my ear?
Well, we really like your ear.
Everybody thought it was pretty cool, but
and we're
so
sorry
it looks like it got cut off with a pair of scissors, and then this part decided to curl.
Well, the curl is adorable.
I think it's manly.
Oh, it is manly.
Oh, I got my ear cut off. Now it curls.
Yeah.
That's manly.
That is manly.
That's a manly story to tell at the dinner table.
You just need a tattoo or a ring or something on it.
And a patch around my eye.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah.
So we really like you.
Yeah, well, thanks. I'm a little sleepy right now because you guys just removed some of my body parts.
Just today.
Just a couple hours ago.
And it's really easy.
And now you're making me do photos.
Well, because it's easy to do photos when...
Because I'm drunk a little.
Well, yes.
So, well, I like this girl. Oh,
I see
look,
they
I'm tired.
You would like to curl up with her.
I would.
And curl up, take a nappy.
Yeah, I want to take a nap now. Because you guys were mean today.
It's alright, you're healing well already.
Alright, well, I'm going to go this way, maybe.
Oh, it's hard to sit down, isn't it?
Oh, it's a little sore.
Ooh, careful.
A little sore.
Careful. Okay, well, we better go.
Alrighty, I'm going to go potty.